The Department of Justice marked the 100th day of Secretary Frederic Vida with a recovery of over 600 million pesos from anomalous flood control projects. The agency also extended its visa relief program to assist foreign nationals affected by the Middle East crisis. Our Artubise has more details in this report.
More than 611 million pesos has been recovered by the government in connection with the illegal flood control projects. According to Justice Secretary Frederic Vida, the funds were returned by state witnesses. The amount has already been deposited to the Bureau of Treasury as part of returning public funds to the people. The largest amount was returned by former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo at 290 million pesos. He was followed by former Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara, 181 million pesos, and former Regional Director Gerard Opulencia, 120 million pesos. Meanwhile, contractor Sally Santos returned 20 million pesos. This also includes previously frozen assets.
Over the past years, the department has remained steadfast in its mandate to ensure fair, swift, and accessible justice for all. Guided by integrity, transparency, and accountability, we have pursued reforms that address long-standing challenges in our justice system.
Meanwhile, the DOJ has extended its visa relief program for foreign nationals affected by the tensions in the Middle East. Under the Department Order 219 signed on March 30, foreigners are allowed to stay until May 1 without penalties. The program aims to assist those unable to return home due to flight cancellations and restrictions. According to DOJ, this is a humanitarian measure by the government to ensure the legal stay of foreign nationals amid the situation. This is just one of the initiatives of the department under the leadership of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. They added that they will continue to serve the public and advance justice for all.
This occasion is not merely a report on what has been done, but a reflection of our collective commitment to uphold the rule of law, protect the rights of every citizen, and strengthen the pillars of justice in our nation.
R. Artubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.